just stopped off at this farm to grab ourselves a cup of tea and a bit of cake. So we've just stopped off for a bit of a tea break, and the scenery around here is gorgeous. It's a lovely little farm. It's in the Lake District, so we thought we'd stop up here, enjoy the sunshine and have a little break from the road rather than just going to a service station, because that's kind of boring. This is much more fun. So we're on our way back from Scotland. By this time you guys will have seen our Scottish adventures, and I hope you've enjoyed them. We were so busy in Scotland we didn't get a chance to try. These are gingerbread, traditional gingerbread, the way apparently it was supposed to be. This is the invention of Sarah Nelson. She came up with this recipe for gingerbread in 1854 in the village of Grasmere. So for those of you that tried gingerbread, you'll know it's kind of got like a slightly spicy feel to it, potentially you could say. But this apparently is a spicy sweet cross between a biscuit and a cake. So I'm really curious to try it. The queues are massive, so let's see what all the hype's about. So this is the bag. I'm gonna open it up. There we go. That's how they've wrapped it up, which is quirky. I'm just gonna unravel it now. To do it and done at the same time. Ooh, look at that now. That's different, isn't it? Wow. Looks like a cake. So I'm gonna break a piece off. Right off the bat, the smell, initially the first whiff I got was almost like a digestive biscuit. I bring it closer and you get that gingerbread, that classic smelling gingerbread that you would normally have with a biscuit. But it does smell more buttery than the gingerbread that I'm used to. So let's try it and see what it's like. Oh my god, it's rock hard. Wow, completely different texture. Definitely got that spicy edge that gingerbread has, but there's an equal measure of sweetness to it. The sort of spicy gingery flavour is not as intense as some other gingerbreads that I've tried, but it's definitely there. It's got like a nice, gentle, sharp ginger taste. Very buttery. It's different to any gingerbread I've tried before. Like normally I don't like gingerbread. I find it quite dry and not really mad on the flavour. It's just kind of almost a dry, gingery taste. This is really sweet. It's like gingerbread meeting a digestive biscuit and having its babies.
There's something quite unique here because I love ginger biscuits and I've always loved ginger in sweet things, but this to me reminds me of the smell of a ginger biscuit because it's really, really intense, and I'm not used to that with just ordinary gingerbread. Normally it's kind of neutral.
Sorry, I don't mind them going for another helping while you do a taster. Sorry. No, excuse me. No, bugger off now.
I don't know what's going on here. I've already noticed just here ginger crystals. Either it's crystallized sugar with ginger in it, or they're bits of ginger. One of the two. This is nicer than any ginger biscuit or gingerbread I've ever tried. It's delicious. It's really, really good.
I know some places are hyped and you think it's just a novelty or just something like this, but actually it really, really works in harmony. The flavours, the butteriness, everything works really, really well. And I think if you don't like gingerbread, if you try one of these, see what you think, because it's a different experience altogether. And really crumble on the outside too. Here's our little furry friend. Decided to break up the journey because it's getting dark. I was tired. We didn't end up leaving the property till really late because we were trying to clean it. You gotta do that with Airbnb. So that's it, guys. We've inhaled gingerbread. I'm gonna just go and devour the rest of it. Hope you guys enjoyed our Scottish adventures and our little gingerbread taste test, and we'll see you next time for another travel video. Until next time, guys, take care. Bye.